Buying Bitcoin is one of the difficult tasks for most of us, especially in some crypto-restricted countries like Nigeria, where you are not allowed to buy any forms of cryptocurrency using your bank account. But what if I told you you can actually earn $300 worth of Bitcoin per day for literally doing easy tasks that can take up to 1 to 3 minutes of your time to execute, and get all your earning instantly into your Bitcoin wallet without you using your money to buy them? And the amazing thing about this website I'm about to share with you is that you can directly transfer all these BTC you have earned into different wallets and make trade with them, or probably you want to withdraw them through PayPal and get good cash. So if you want to earn $100 worth of Bitcoin per day, make sure to stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you a lot of information right in this video. And make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because you're going to be missing some of this information which might not allow you to get paid using this website. But before we jump start, please be sure to hit the like button, because it helps this video to rank on YouTube, because that is how YouTube algorithm picks up video to serve to more people. So without further ado, let's dive in. So this website I'm about to share with you guys, which I have put the link to it in the video description below. This website is not selling you any product or either asking you to invest your money in any product. All what this website wants from you to get you paid is your honest feedback from virtually every product and service which you have used most recently or currently using right now, to help a lot of companies to solve many social problems and also help them to improve in their product and innovative technology. So before I proceed to show you how to properly sign up for this website so you can get paid, so let me show you my payment proof and how you can actually make $100 worth of Bitcoin per day on this website. So as you can see, these are my earnings. As you can see it right here, I've actually earned $1 worth of Bitcoin consecutive from this website, and they pay me instantly into my Coinbase account, which you guys also gonna be earning if you stick around to the end of this video, because I'm gonna be showing you how to set up this properly. So as you can see, as of presently of recording this video, they actually sent me another $1 worth of Bitcoin consecutive. I'm gonna be earning this $1. Then when we multiply it by numbers of taxes which I did, sometimes I earn up to $10 worth of Bitcoin transferred directly into my Coinbase account, which I'm going to be showing you how you as well can earn with this app. As you can see, let me click on it so you can see this is a legit. They just send it to me as of now of recording this video. As you can see the date, right here, and the time, which is today as of now I'm recording this video right here. So whenever I participate in any of these tasks this company give me, they're going to be instantly paying you $1 worth of Bitcoin. So let's open up the calculator and see how much you can earn in a day. So the website is going to be paying you $1 worth of Bitcoin and transfer instantly into your wallet, into your Bitcoin wallet, which you have provided. As you can see, let's say in a day I was able to do 10 of their taxes. Because their taxes is not that rigorous, it's very simple. It's just going to be taking about 1 minute to 3 minutes of your time executing that. So let's assume they gave you 10 taxes in a day. So when you multiply this by 10, as you can see, you're going to be earning $10 worth of Bitcoin. So let's say in a week, a week we have about 7 days. So let's multiply this by 7 days. As you can see, you are earning more Bitcoin for free without you have to pay money in buying them. So let's go back and let me show you how to properly sign up so you can get all these bonuses and also you get paid instantly without missing your earning. So make sure to stick around to the end and make sure you don't skip, like I said, so you can get set up properly. And so all you have to do is to click the link I provided in the video description. It's gonna direct you into this platform which I'm in right now. Alright, so after clicking the link I provided in the video description, it's gonna bring you to this platform. So here you are now. You want to pay more attention to what I'm gonna be sharing with you, because when you didn't set this up, you are not going to be getting paid instantly after you finish the taxes which they give you. As you can see right now, you can sign up using your Facebook or your Google, your Twitter, whichever one, or you have a Gmail. So when you put in your Gmail and you click on Start Now, you're going to click on the Start Now button. It's going to be allowing you to create a profile, which is going to be asking you questions about you in a few moments. You don't have to be panicked. It's very simple to understand. So after creating your profile, it's going to be asking you what payment option do you want to be paid in instantly. After executing their taxes, so the one you're going to be choosing, if you want to collect your earning in Bitcoin, you're going to be choosing the Coinbase. Like I showed you, I'm taking my earning through the Coinbase, so they instantly direct my earning into my Coinbase account, which is my Bitcoin wallet, which I get instantly every time I execute their taxes. So as you can see, so if you have a PayPal account, you can put your PayPal, they're going to be transferring instantly your phone. They're not going to be allowing you to wait to accumulate or anything. They are paying you instantly into whichever payment method which you sign in with. But for now, because I have an account, so I'm going to be logging into my account to show you how the account is. So after signing up, you're going to be seeing something like this. So after you come down to this place, what you want to do so you don't miss any of their taxes is to enable the browser notification and also the app. They also have app. You can download the app in the Play Store. So all you want to do is to come down and click on this enable browser notifications. As you can see, it's going to have something like this. You're going to tap on notification settings right here. Make sure this two right here is toggle on, which is going to be changing into green, so you can have notification from the app and also from email whenever you have tasks, so you don't have to start coming back to this app and refreshing them. It's going to be sending you an email or send you a notification pop-up on your phone so you can attend to it so you don't miss any of them. So let me show you some of the notification which I get. As of now, of recording this video, I actually got a notification that I have another task to execute, which is going to be giving me worth of Bitcoin as my earning. So let me show you my Gmail and you see that. So as you can see right now, as of now of recording this video, I've actually received a payment from this legit website. As you can see, when I click on it, you're gonna be seeing they send me Bitcoin directly into my Coinbase account, which I've already shown you guys. This is a very legit, so you guys should check this out. So it is a very opportunity to earn a Bitcoin where you don't have money to buy them, as you can see. So if you gain value out of this video, please be sure to give this video likes and subscribe if you haven't yet already, because I share more informative investment tips also on technology also, so you don't miss that. So as you can see, I've earned money using my Coinbase account right here, because I choose the payment to be paid in my Coinbase, where I can receive my Bitcoin into my wallet, where I can trade with them or I can sell them for money or withdraw my phone. As you can see, if I have a survey, this is how it's going to be appearing. When you click on it, it's going to show you that you have a survey. Then you're going to click on it. Some of them I put the time and duration. As you can see, this one is going to take 6 minutes and it's going to pay you instantly into your wallet or your payment option. So, and I hope you guys get value out of this video. If you did, keep this video liked and subscribe and turn on the bell on so you don't miss any of the information which I'm going to be showing you guys coming up next. So, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace and bye for now, crypto family.